My name is Todd Gordon. I'm a crew chief for the Shell Pennzoil number 22 NASCAR Monster Energy Series Cup car. I built my first race car at college and actually raced with a couple of the members of Ferris's management group. We got to know each other there and saw the opportunity to come work on something that had tires on it. It was really cool when I got to Ferris. You know, they were an up-and-coming company. Dave Ferris had great visions, and my first major project there was our first zero turn, the Pro Cut Z. I think back to the first day looking at a Pro Cut and saying, why do these not have suspension like our race cars do? As we started to develop suspension into the Pro Cut Z, it seemed simple to just put suspension on four wheels, but it was a challenge. One of the things that I think we focused on was trying to understand the product market. We bought two of the competitors' zero-turn mowers, and that allowed me to spend some time on equipment and understand the landscaper's challenges. And it became pretty evident to me, these large areas that commercial landscapers end up mowing, they're rough. It's not just a smooth field. It's cutting on a 20-degree side hill. It's driving up a hill. It's turning around. It's the roll of the machine and what that does to the cutter deck. As I mowed on competitors' equipment, I realized that my back hurt, that I felt beat up by the end of the day. And that led us into the how do we make this better for the end consumer? How do we make suspension work? How does the whole unit work better? To avoid the wear and tear on just beating up a lawnmower. We got a guy that ran 40 hours a week. I actually asked him to break it. You know, ride as hard as you feel you comfortably can and show me where the weaknesses are. I want you to use this machine harder than any end user that would buy it would ever ride it. Problem solving is what, as engineers, we love to do. So it wasn't ever we can't, it's what's the next step to control the next problem. I thought it was a fairly systematic approach that we got to and got to a solution flawlessly. I think that's helped with my career in racing, of having a vision of where we're going and trying to chase that vision. When you look back at 2018 when we won the Cup Championship, I got to bring Roger Penske a Cup Championship in his year of induction in the NASCAR Hall of Fame. Really a special accomplishment because he's one that kind of gave the vision of always looking out the front windshield, not looking in the rearview mirror. Don't look at what you've done, look at what you can do. Some of the work that I did when I worked at Ferris still has an impact on where the product line is today, and it's really cool to see, you know, what the engineers at Ferris have done to develop it into the product that you've got here today. It's satisfying.